Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to find render folder. Click on an output property in Properties panel. Scroll down. You will see Output option, click Folder icon, a dialog box will open. Here is the folder TMP, where all renders saved. You can also save renders to your desired place from left of this box. Copy this directory. Paste it to the search bar and you will directly go to that directory where render saved. Here they are. But the problem is, when you render image, it will not saved to that folder. You have to save it manually by clicking Image option. Saved this image where you want to save it. But when it's about render animation, it goes to Blender output directory, which you can change easily. Hope you find this video beneficial for you. Thank you for watching.